there, this is Dina Okba. I'm an artist, I'm a miniaturist, and I do the art of recycle. If this is your first time to see me and see my channel, and you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Hit the notification bell on all so you can see all my videos. Also, I need your help by doing a lot of comments on my videos, because if you do a lot of comments, there will be a lot of activity on my channel, and this will help me a lot. And if you want me to do something else, please let me know, and I need your support. It's very important for me. That's what keeps me going, and thanks in advance. Let's go and see what I'm going to do today. Assalamu alaikum, bismillah ar-Rahim everyone. I have done those cups in a previous video. I will leave the link for it in the description box, from recycled plastics. I have done those cups for the Starbucks, white ones and transparent one. Check the video. As I said, I will leave the link, and see how to make it. After we make them, we just have to fill them now with different kind of Starbucks coffee, which I don't ask me about them because I don't know the names. I just drink it. And this is like, you know, some of them is like round from up, and some of them is like flat. So the main thing here is I'm using raisin. I use raisins equal parts A and B. I mix it very well. Then I put pastel color, little bit brownish, and I will put here artificial cream, and I put this color on top of it, like this. Leave a comment for me if you want to ask about anything. Okay, here we go. Now, with the use of this tool, I try to mix the raisin, the chocolate with the cream, and to form it like that. Okay? Don't worry, it's gonna dry. Okay? See this style like that. Now, I keep it here. I put the rest of the coffee. And I finish it with cream on top. Now, the mistake I did is that first you have to let it dry, then you put the cream on top. Okay, because because I'm doing the video, I'm just doing it like this to show you guys. But first let the first layer dry, then you put the layer of the cream. Here, with an ink color, I just try to make lines as this is a chocolate. Because there is a difference. The raisin take time to dry, but the cream take no time to dry. Maybe half the time of the raisin. Now I put the cover on top, and I keep it like this. As I said, it's only to show you guys. Normally you should let it to dry, then you put the other layer, then the cover. Okay, great. Now again, another thing, equal parts A and B. Put little bit ink color, brown on the edges, on the sides of the glass on top, like it's coffee, dark coffee. And I let some of them drips like that. Artificial cream. I mix it. Try not to mix too much, so it will lose the shape. Pastel color, little bit like mocha color. I mix it and I put it on the edges like that. Help me guys and tell me the names. I am not familiar with the names. When I go there, I just ask for coffee, latte or cappuccino, because I don't like too much coffee to create acidity for me.
Then again artificial cream on top, but I should have left it a little bit to dry. My husband and my kids, they are familiar with that. Okay, then I will put some sprinkle some kind of a little bit of dry coffee, real dry coffee. It will give it a smell like it's a coffee, and at the same time when you dry it, or even it will make it like a coffee, smell like a coffee. Okay, now I'll take this one. The cover here is different, it's flat. I put some artificial ice. If you don't know how to make the artificial ice, I have a very nice way. Just write for me in the comments, then I will make a video how to do the artificial ice. I will glue it, I'll stick it on the sides of the glass. Why I'm doing that? Because when I put the resin, if it's not sticky on the sides of the glass, it will go down. I want it to stay on the sides like that. So I just have to stick it like that. See? I resin as well. The quantity according to what the size of the glass you have. See, I make it here lighter, like caramel, little bit, and I drip it from up to down. You should not make it dark because then you will lose the transparency. Now put a little bit brown, dark, and like that. Really doing this thing is really so fun. I'm drinking coffee now. Okay. Now I'll put a little bit of ink color white to make it like caramel and mix it with the artificial caramel, and I put like that. Very important not to cover it till it dry 100%. You see? Again with the cream. I'm just putting the cream because of the video. Okay. So taking some caramel, chocolate, and put them like that. You can use these things, these cups, to make earrings or to make necklace or, you know, keychain. Say wow. Yes. And I will put some kind of coffee on top. Now I'm putting it in this cover. Why? Because I want it to dry straight. Again, another kind. Just put artificial cream and chocolate and design with melted chocolate. I think this is a chocolate mousse, something like that. Now in this dark one, doesn't care what is inside because you will not see. So what cares is the top. Cream and brown, and put it. And that's the cover. Not now, as I said. Now again, another kind, equal A and B resin. Put slightly yellow ink and white. Put some ice down. I don't know what they call it, splash or something, lemonade. I want to actually make layers. So you should wait till it dry, then you put the second layer, then you wait till you put the third layer. But here, because as I told you the video, so I am just putting them on top of each other. Now I'll put a little bit yellow. Here we go. And drop it slowly, slowly. See, it's only one drop. Even one drop, it make it too much dark, but it's okay. Now, so we put light white first, then orange, See that? I put a dot of green and put it on top. Now we'll make strawberry one, A and B with red, mix well, transparent. I put on top of the first yellow I put. Sunshine maybe? Okay. From the sides, really it looks cool. Look at that. Now I'm making a straw, but I need a very small straw. So what I'm doing, I'm taking the electricity wires, removing the wire from inside, the metal from inside, and they take the plastic and it's open from up and down, you see? And they put it. Oh, say mashallah, this is the final. Different kinds, I have done them here. If you have any questions, please leave it for me in the description box and tell me what should I do more. And if you really likes my video, please share it among your friends and subscribe to my channel. This is a channel in English. I have another channel in Arabic, and Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I will leave all the links in my description box. I hope you follow me wherever I go. Thanks for watching. I'm talking too much now. I'll leave you and enjoy and see and write for me the names of these kinds of drinks. Bye bye. Are you still there? Bye bye. Yeah, thanks for watching. If you really like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn the notification bell. Hope to see you next time. Bye.